Welcome back to HustleWise UK. Most people look at their payslip and feel like HMRC is taking a giant bite out of their hard-earned money. But what if I told you that the UK tax system actually has hidden pockets where you can keep 100% of your earnings? Today, we aren't talking about shady offshore accounts. We are talking about HMRC-approved rules that can bring your tax bill down to £0. The foundation, Personal Allowance. In the UK, the first £12,570 you earn is completely tax-free. This is your personal allowance. If you earn £12,000 a year, your tax bill is already £0. But for most of us in the HustleWise community, we earn more. So how do we protect the rest? The trading and property allowances. Did you know you can earn an extra £1,000 tax-free from a side hustle? This is called the trading allowance. Whether you're selling on eBay or doing freelance design, that first £1K is yours. Similarly, there's a £1,000 property allowance. If you're renting out your driveway or storage space, HMRC doesn't want a penny of that first grand. By stacking these allowances, you're already building a tax-free fortress around your income. If you want to get rich in the UK, you must understand the two most powerful acronyms in the tax book, ISA and SIP. The ISA, Individual Savings Account. In 2026, you can put up to £20,000 every single year into an ISA. The magic? Any profit you make, whether it's interest, dividends, or stock market gains, is 100% tax-free forever. You could have £1 million in a stocks and shares ISA, and if you withdraw £50,000 in 1 year, you pay £0 tax. At HustleWise UK, we call this the ultimate legal tax haven. The pension power play, SIP. This is where it gets crazy. If you are a basic rate taxpayer, for every £80 you put into a SIP, self-invested personal pension, the government adds £20 for free. If you are a higher rate taxpayer, 40%, you get even more back through your tax return. By contributing to your pension, you are literally lowering your taxable income. If you earn £60,000 and put £10,000 into your pension, HMRC treats you like you only earned £50,000. You are effectively paying yourself instead of paying the taxman. Unquote. For the entrepreneurs at HustleWise UK, the biggest tax secret is the limited company structure. When you are self-employed as a sole trader, you are taxed on everything. But as a limited company, you only pay tax on profit after expenses. What counts as an expense? HMRC says expenses must be wholly and exclusively for business. Home office, part of your rent and electricity. Tech, your laptop, phone, and software. Travel, 45p per mile for your car. Marketing, those TikTok ads we talk about. The dividend strategy. Instead of taking a high salary, smart business owners take a small salary under the tax threshold and the rest in dividends. Dividends have a separate tax-free allowance and lower tax rates than income tax. Plus, by keeping money inside the company and reinvesting it into new hustles, you avoid personal income tax altogether. You are building a money machine that grows tax-free until you decide to take it out. As we conclude this HustleWise UK Tax Masterclass, let's look at two final ways to keep your money. Capital Gains Tax, CGT, allowance. When you sell an asset like a second home or expensive jewelry, you get a tax-free allowance. Even if it's been reduced in recent years, by timing your sales or using BED and ISA strategies, you can minimize the hit. The marriage allowance. If you're married or in a civil partnership, and one of you earns less than the £12,570 allowance, you can transfer £1,260 of that unused allowance to the higher earner. It's a small trick, but it can save you over £250 a year in cash, essentially a free dinner on HMRC. Conclusion: tax isn't a fixed cost, it's a variable one based on your knowledge. HMRC has these rules for a reason. They want you to save for retirement and invest in businesses. By following the HustleWise UK blueprint, you aren't breaking the law. You are playing the game by the rules. If you want my UK tax-free expense spreadsheet, comment tax below. Like, subscribe, and let's keep your money where it belongs, with you. I'll see you in the next one. Keep hustling.